So, let us have some examples on this nth term of arithmetic progression, right. So, we have already discussed one of the problems in this nth term. So, next I have a few set of problems to understand nth term of arithmetic progression easily. That is, you are given how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7. The next question is going to be how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7. So, how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? For that, you will have to understand first of all what are all 3-digit numbers basically. To identify all 3-digit numbers, what are all 3-digit numbers? 3-digit number starts from 100 and then 101 and then 102 and so on. What is the last 3-digit number? 999. Out of these 3-digit numbers, which are all the numbers divisible by 7? So, to identify the number divisible by 7, let us take 100 and perform normal division for 100 by 7. So, 7 ones are 7, 30, so 7 fours are 28, it means 2 is the remaining. 2 is the remainder means what? 100 minus 2 is divisible by 7. What is 100 minus 2? Which is equal to 98. So, when 98 is divisible by 7, then what is 98 plus 7 also divisible by 7, right? What is 98 plus 7? Which is equal to 105, right? So, the very first number divisible by 7 according to the given problem, the arithmetic progression will be, what is arithmetic progression? The first number is 105. What is the next number? Obviously, you can add 7 to that number. So, 105 plus 7 is equal to 112 and so on. Now, again I need to find what is the last number also. So, the last number is 999. I am going to divide this 999 by 7 again. So, 7 ones are 7, 29, 7 fours are 28, 19 and 7 twos are 14. Then remainder 5. What do you mean by this remainder 5? You will have to subtract 5 from 999. So, 999 minus 5 is equal to 994. So, 994. These are what the numbers which are divisible by 7. I do not know how many numbers are there in that sequence, but we know that this sequence is an arithmetic progression. So, in order to find how many terms are there in this arithmetic progression, let us consider the value of A is going to be 105. Of course, the common difference is equal to 7, otherwise we can check, and consider the last number is AN is equal to 994. Got it? So, you know what is the formula for AN. So, since AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 times D, substitute the values. 994 is equal to A is going to be 105 plus N minus 1 times D is equal to how much? Common difference is going to be 7, right. So, first you transpose 105, do not multiply and simplify and then you do the calculation. First you transpose 105, 994 minus 105 is going to be N minus 1 times 7. Now, you subtract, this is 14 minus 5 is equal to 9 and this is 8 minus 0 is equal to 8, 9 minus 1 is equal to 8, which is equal to N minus 1 into 7. So, you can easily identify that 889 is obviously divisible by 7. So, that divided by 7 divided by 7. So, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 49, 7 sevens are 49 is equal to N minus 1. Therefore, N is going to be 128. So, what do you mean by that? We have totally 128 terms which are 128 numbers which are 3 digits and moreover divisible by 7. So, this way we can easily figure out what are the number of 3 digit numbers divisible by 7. So, coming to the very next example, and this example is very interesting example if I am not wrong. So, that is going to be, example 2. Which term of this AP, what is this AP here? The AP is going to be 121, 117, 113 and so on, is first negative term. So, which term of this AP is the first negative term of this arithmetic progression? So, in order to find what is the first negative term of this arithmetic progression, let us have what is this arithmetic progression. So, the given arithmetic progression is 121, 117, 113 and so on. When you are given an arithmetic progression, immediately you should find the value of A as well as D, and then you see whatever is required in the problem, right, where the value of A is going to be the first term 121 and common difference is equal to second term minus first term, which is equal to 117 minus 121 is going to be negative 4, right. We do not know which term is the first negative term. Let AN be the first negative term. What it is? AN be the first negative term, because if you do not know what is the term, then definitely you can consider as nth term is the first negative term, be the first negative term, right. So, first negative term is nothing but what are negative terms which are less than 0 terms. So that AN less than 0. What is the formula for AN? A plus n minus 1 times D less than 0. Substitute the values of A and D here. The value of A is going to be 121 plus n minus 1 into the value of D is going to be negative 4, which is less than 0. That implies 121 plus into minus 4 equal to minus 4n minus of minus plus 4 less than 0. 121 plus 4 is going to be 125 minus 4n less than 0. According to the laws of inequalities, when you can transpose this minus 4n that side, then it is going to be 125 less than 4n. Since we need n, you will have to divide both the sides by 4. Since 4 is being a positive number, therefore, there is no change in the inequality sign. So that you can write it as 125 by 4 less than 4n by 4. What is this 125 by 4? 4 3s are 12, 4 1s are 4, 10, 4, 2, 5 less than n. It means n greater than 31.25. Since n is a natural number, because number of terms cannot be decimals, cannot be negatives, cannot be fractions, right? You know about all these things. So, n greater than 31.25. What is the immediate natural number to n? Of course, n is equal to 32 onwards. So that from n is equal to 32, 33, 34, 35, all these terms are negative terms of this arithmetic progression. So, therefore, what is the very first term of this arithmetic progression is negative 32nd term. 32nd is not negative term, 32nd term is not negative term. Hope you understand. 32nd term, not 32. Okay. So that A32 is the first negative term. What is that A32? That is going to be A plus 31D. The value of A is going to be 121 plus 31 into D is going to be negative 4. Finally, this is 121 minus 124, which is equal to negative 3. So, that negative 3 is the first negative number, but which term is the first negative number? The first negative number is which term? That is 32nd term is the first negative term, that term is minus 3. So, this way we can find out, we can answer some problems easily by using this nth term of arithmetic progression. So, hope you understand, And one more problem is given like this by the definition of nth term of arithmetic progression. Next example is, if x plus 2 comma 2x minus 1 comma 5x plus 3 are in arithmetic progression, find the value of x. Find the value of x. We can answer this problem by the definition of arithmetic progression. So, what is the definition of arithmetic progression? When the terms are said to be in arithmetic progression, if the common difference is same. See, there are 3 terms 1, 2, 3. So, if 3 terms a1 comma a2 comma a3 are in arithmetic progression, then a2 minus a1 is same as a3 minus a2, correct. a2 minus a1, what is a2 here? 2x minus 1 minus a1 is going to be x plus 2, which is equal to a3 minus a2, that is 5x plus 3 minus 2x minus 1. See, here you can answer this easily just by transposing minus 2x on this side and x plus 2 that side. This is 2x minus 1, you are transposing one more 2x minus 1, therefore, there are totally 2x minus 1s, which is equal to 5x plus 3 was already there, minus of x plus 2 will become plus x plus 2, right. So, this is 2 into 2 is equal to 4x minus 2 1s are 2 is equal to 5x plus x is equal to 6x plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. In order to find the value of x, transpose 5 this side and transpose 4x that side. So, minus 2 minus 5 is equal to 6x minus 4x. Minus 2 minus 5 is equal to minus 7 is equal to 2x. Therefore, the value of x is going to be minus 7 divided by 2. So, this way we can answer this problem easily. So, hope you understand, right. Okay, this is one of the examples for arithmetic progressions. And coming to the next example that I am going to understand about this arithmetic progressions is one different problem that we are going to do here now. That different problem is, find the 20th term from the last. So, find the 20th term, find the 20th term from last of, what is that arithmetic progression? Last of the arithmetic progression. That arithmetic progression is given that 3 comma 8 comma 13 comma and so on. From the last means last term should be given, right, 253. So, this is the arithmetic progression given. You need to find what is the 20th term from the last, not from the first, 20th term from the last. So, in order to find the 20th term from the last, why don't you write the arithmetic progression from the last? Okay. So, according to the given problem, arithmetic progression so obtained, arithmetic progression so obtained is, now I am going to write the arithmetic progression from the last, that is 253, I do not know what is the next number and so on, 13 comma 8 comma 3. Now, this is the arithmetic progression from the last. See here, we know what is the first term. The first term is going to be 253, but I do not know what is the common difference here. But to find out the common difference, according to the definition, if I have any 2 consecutive terms, I can find out easily, right. So, therefore, the common difference is going to be, I am going to take these 2 terms, right. So, 3 minus 8, which is equal to minus 5. So, this is what the common difference. Therefore, I am going to find what is 20th term. Therefore, 20th term of an arithmetic progression, what is formula for 20th term? A plus 19D. A is equal to 253 plus 19 into D is equal to minus 5, that is 253 minus 19 5s are 95. So, what is the value for this now? 13 minus 5 is equal to 8, this is 4, 14 minus 9 is equal to 5 and then 1. So 158 is this 158? Yes. So that is 20th term from the last of this arithmetic progression. So this way we can easily figure out whatever the required term according to nth term of arithmetic progression. Thank you.